How to see recently added friends on Snapchat. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's jump right into this tutorial. To start off, you need to launch your Snapchat application in your device. So go ahead and do that. Make sure that it is up to date and you are logged in. Now, you need to tap on the Add Friend icon. From here, you have to tap on the three dot and select on Recently Added. It will display all of the Snapchatters and subscription that you have recently added. Isn't it simple? However, this option is not available for you. Follow this next step. Open up your phone setting and head to System Update. Make sure your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version. Navigate to the Apps option, select on All Apps and search for your Snapchat app. Tap on it. Force stop it, then head to Storage and Cache and clear up the cache. This is to fix the bug issue. Next, open up your Snapchat again, select on your Bitmoji, tap on your settings, then scroll down and tap on I need help. This is because even after those steps, if this option is not available for you, you can search for articles that is related with your problem. Then follow the step that the article guides you to. By that way, you'll be able to see your recently added friends on Snapchat. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.